Welcome back to TradeProFX. So today is another amazing video that I'll be talking about the TradeProFX debot.pages.dev. So the first thing we can see that our capital is very good, so that one is something that someone can afford. So for practice purposes, that's why I normally show you using this. So what you do, you go to, if you don't have a good bot, you click to the options on the quick strategy, then click martingale. So you'll find this kind of a setup, and then you can set the volatility that you want to trade, the contract type, just for a bit of setup. So the initial stake I'll be using is 3 USD, and then you click run, then be very fast to stop because it will run and execute a trade. So stop very fast. That's one idea that I want you guys to always take care. So after you have set your trading bot via the quick strategy, that's where I've made the martingale bot. From there you go to the analysis tool. So this is where you get to see the TradeProFX TickAnalysis tool, and you can see we have an arrow down. So this is where you can do your analysis. So we want to see the green bar and the red bar at the same point. Wow, this is volatility 50. So very fast we go and configure this. You can see the red bar and the green bar are very close, and they are on the digits we usually talk about, the digit 0, 1, 2, and then we have 7, 8, 9. Those one, if you see both the green bar and the red bar on those numbers, you can now trade either over 1 or under 8. So for ours, we are going to be trading under 8 because we can see it on that side. So anytime the digit pair analysis gives us an entry, and the entry is when that green bar is on that pair, the most appearing digit pair. So you see, that's how you get into trades. So you can scoop your quick 10 USD using this concept. So you see it has gotten out, you don't enter, so that one is not a valid entry. When it gets back, you can see the digit pair analysis. It says now the most digits that are appearing are on 2, 3 back to 0, 1. You run your bot. So that one is a loss. So you wait for the martingale and then stop, then go confirm. So let's wait and see. So that one is a profit. So you just cross and be patient, go back. You can see it's showing us that okay, back again, you click run. So you need to be very careful. Be very careful, and the moment you'll be seeing that entry on that point like this, you will continue running your bot. Any still there, you continue running your bot, in case that entry point is there. So you are not doing gambling here, you are doing something based on analysis. So at least this one is giving you the best entry point. So you can see we have lost there, and we will wait and again recover, and then proceed waiting for the entries. So that's how you can grow your account slowly by slowly. So let's have a look for a profit of 10 USD using this strategy. Then guys, go try it. It will be on the TradeProFX debot.pages.dev. I'll leave a link below. So if you are not using the ProFX tick analysis, just use this concept that I'm doing. This one is easier. So anytime the digit pair analysis arrives on the digit that is the most appearing digit, you just run your bot. It is the best that you can ever do. So you can see we are at a very good almost above 5 USD. So let's reach 5 USD and we still proceed. So our target today is 10, so that you can see that it is just proving that when you are serious and you just remain on the market very serious, and then you do it carefree with a good environment, you will scoop these kind of trades very slowly, and I usually tell you that small gains are always the best. So you can see we are almost at 10 and we call it a day. So you can see back to back wins. So if you are not using the TradeProFX tick analysis for over under, I have told you that for beginners use the over 2 or under 8 using this concept, and mostly just observe when the most digit appear in digit is on that point, and then your entry should be when this digit pair analysis green bar is on that digit. That one is guaranteed that you will get the entry point correctly. And normally use the volatilities, the volatility 10, 25, 50, 75 and 100. Those ones are a bit, because you can see we have already almost completed scooping that to 10, so we only have one last run and we call it a day. But you have seen me run very fast because that market stayed for that at that location for some bit of time. So and we know how Deriv normally has so many we normally see how it normally do its thing very fast. So we are done with 10 USD and we can call it a day. So remember, I'm talking about, you can see they are all back to back wins. So I was talking about the digits. You see, we know that digits are very random, so the best thing is to have a good market like 10, the ones I've mentioned 10 to 100, because these ones have the ones don't have the 1 second market, so it's at least its ability to maintain on a certain point, it's longer compared to the 1S market. So we can just run, and then maybe someone can ask, if I want to change my stake after maybe gathering, you click on that point there and change your stake to whatever. You can put 10 after maybe getting and proceed. But I usually tell you, if you get your take your target, your take profit that you wanted, just exit the market completely and call it a day and come back tomorrow. That's the discipline when it comes to trading. So let's look for another market that has the same configuration. So you can see this one is not. So you proceed looking for another market. So it is very easy. You just look where the green bar and the red bar are on the digit 0 to 9. So if you see them, they are very closer and they are either on digit 0, 1, 2 or 7, 8, 9. You will decide whether to place your trades on under digit 2, under digit 8 or over digit 2. So you must then, how to change the market, you must stop. So you'll see like this one is back to volatility 50. Let's see whether we can scoop something from here and I illustrate soft. Okay, it has shifted. So you have told you, whenever the digit pair analysis is on the pair with the most appealing digit, that's when your entry becomes. So kindly look upon how to use the market. You must stop, then you change it, start again. So like this one, you see 75 is not good, you stop, then change the market, then start again. That's how to operate this tool. So I hope we are all good, guys. So kindly continue subscribing if you have not subscribed, and share this video to your colleagues so that we can grow together as a community. And with those few remarks, bye bye. Continue subscribing, sharing and commenting any strategy that you think is valid and you want me to do. So let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.